Hello again. Now we're going to go through the various correction phases after automatic carpet distribution. So here's our slab with the additions and cuttings marked. Throughout it, the BAMTEC carpets were automatically distributed. The problematic parts are marked with red. Now we are going to go through them and fix them one by one. So here the problem is that the rollout length of the carpet is less than 2 meters. This length can be altered in the settings. This problem can be fixed by simply merging the carpet with its neighbor. We have another one, this small one here, but this is not needed since here we don't have reinforcement. So this can be simply deleted. This is a very similar problem, so we'll perform a merge here as well. So this seems as a fix, but we will have potential rollout problems. So we will add these 5 pieces to the neighboring carpet. But before this we have to cut this one by selecting cut in bar direction from the context menu. Now we have another carpet which is too small as well, but we can merge. So our carpet can be rolled out in this direction. Here we have an insignificant piece as well, so we'll delete this. Now here the problem is that we have too long carpets. We can alter the rollout width in the settings, but we will need an addition somewhere throughout the middle part. So we'll merge the 3 carpets into one. After this we can add splicing. Let's place it somewhere in the middle. So now we have 2 carpets. Now it's saying that we must compose, so let's do that. So one carpet is alright, but the other one is still wrong because it extends in both directions. We can fix this by splitting it in 2. Then we can perform a recompose. And we can see that the issue has been fixed. We have some rebars that are not being held by at least 2 straps. These are marked with red. This can be fixed by applying some offset to some straps. In this case the carpet's length is 15 meters. So offsetting the straps would not lead to the desired result. If we change the default offset, the length of the carpet will also be altered. So this means that these bars have to be fixed manually. Let's enable the base reinforcement. Here this small part has been deleted, so we need to extend the carpet a bit. Now we press compose and this layer is done.